Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my granddaughter Megan,
A sidekick.
and we each got a box from Yvette.
And she puts that little sticker on there.
Yep. And so we thought we'd do an unboxing today.
So I have, for both of our boxes to make it easier, I started on one side a little bit. Not the whole way.
Right. Okay,
Ready?
you ready? Okay, let's get her open.
No, it's the one
You said
side.
it's going to be easy. It is the one side is really hard.
It's not cheating if I'm using my resources.
All right. Want to cut mine? Thank
If you
you.
want me to. Yeah, I'm cutting upside down.
There you go.
You
All
got
right.
it.
Okay.
I see Yvette's her card. Hello.
Yes.
Oh, it's a candy in there. Candy.
So you'll get a little card like that. Well, actually, let me just take it out.
Candy. I think that's a sticker. Yeah. She yes.
Take it out. Take a look.
She has her Yvette Renee sticker.
There's a
You
little
got it.
sticker, which I think is adorable.
I'm stealing your
But
card.
there we go. That'll get in there.
You can see it. There's two cards.
Uh-huh.
She has her YouTube card. There you go. Now you see it. And then this card. Look at that face. That's a beautiful face. That's yours.
And then of course, you know, we
I
have
ain't seeing the
candy.
bag.
We all love candy.
Oh, I thought she said
Yes.
Kathy. I was
No,
like, yes,
candy.
we do have Kathy.
Brox. Very good. Very good candy. Brox. I guess that's chocolate. Chocolate and
Orange.
Orange. Oh, I like both those
I
flavors.
like it.
Okay, ready?
I got vanilla and orange. Yay!
And then she's got some cute little polka dotted paper on the top. Okay. Ooh, this is some pretty stuff. Oh, I love this little tassel.
Pull it out then. Don't keep them hanging.
There's the tassel. I'm going to go back and forth so we can confuse everybody of what we got.
I don't know.
Okay.
I have a fat quarter bundle. I love fat quarters.
Mhm.
It's got little cars on it. And it's got... Oh, wait. What's this one say? This one has words on it.
Do
It
you
says,
want to
slow down.
unwrap it or you want to show it a piece at a
We'll
time?
unwrap
or-
it in a little... Well, I don't want to unwrap it.
Okay.
What's it got? These fun little things in it. Yeah, it's going to be hard to show.
Okay.
Oy, 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 oy. No, they're not going to be able to see it. So we'll open it later and show it. No, you're not looking. You have your own box.
Okay, so. Am I holding it upside down?
No.
Am I? I couldn't tell.
Bloom's here.
Oh, the other side you can see it better.
You know what?
There you
know
go.
What? You know
There
what?
you go.
You got to do that. You got to believe in
And then
yourself.
Got a what? Believe in
Believe-
yourself?
Believe
Believe
you can. And you will.
Yes.
That's
okay.
the same thing.
Alrighty.
That's the same thing. And then I have some fabric, y'all.
I do
I
too.
got this green one with the bird cages. A couple of those. And then the yellow. And what is that? Purple flowers. And pink flowers. And more purple circles.
And you know what this reminds me of?
Christmas.
No. When you were working on the
Birthday.
little rainbow. No. Let me turn it this way. She was working, which she's never shown. I don't know if she even finished it, but she was working on a rainbow. And that's
I
rainbow,
didn't do
wasn't it?
that.
Weren't you working on a rainbow piece? I don't think you. I think I was helping you. We'll have to look in the bedroom because I swore there was a piece in there that you were working on.
I didn't do anything
Oh,
rainbowish.
Alrighty. Okay.
I'll take your word for it. She took my smile.
Well, you just showed a
That's
whole
my
bunch of stuff. I
turn.
thought I would. Oh, isn't that cute? That's
Look
adorable.
what I got. It's better. it's got little dinosaurs on it. It's dinosaurs. And it's like water resistant.
It's
I
not
can make
water
a little
resistant. It's the
bag.
no. It's the sizing on the fabric.
No, feel it.
The sizing on the fabric. I believe it is.
I can make a little bag with that. I
Oh,
don't
look
care.
at this. That's adorable.
Look what I got. Go ahead.
You sure? Are you sure? Oh my God! Look at this.
Look at this.
Christmas fabric.
Jelly bar.
Go ahead and show it. You know what a jelly bar? See what you get? There you go. Hey.
Little jelly things. Like a jelly roll. It's a jelly butter.
I'm afraid to show mine because you're going to jump up there and show something else. Oh, look at this.
But wait, there's more.
I believe this is a piano. No, it's a book. Look, place book cover over a flat surface. So it's making a book. Oh my goodness. All right, let's open up and see what we got.
It's a book. Oh, there's owls on it. You guys, I love owls. It's got owls.
Well, let's see. How am I going to...
Yes, bump me with it, and then we're not going to be able to show anybody.
Can we show? We can show that.
Yep.
Yeah, look at that.
Hold your
Oh
side
my
up.
goodness. Isn't that pretty? Look at all those little things.
It's got a little teddy bear.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's got a little raccoon. A little trash panda. Squirrels. That's cute. Oh, wait, that's a squirrel, and that's his tail, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
I think it is.
Not a bear?
I think it's a squirrel.
We're going to say it's a squirrel.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Because then you flip that upside down. All right.
Yeah,
That's going to be cute
upside
to
down.
make. Yes.
So I got some more stuff.
Okay, show some of your things.
Got this little thingy. And there's a... Ooh. Ooh. I'll wait for you to put that away. Okay, so I got a little bundle thingy here. And it's got that on it. Little like watering cans. Is that watering cans? No, it's not. Those are envelopes.
Well, that's a far cry
They're
from something
flower
different.
seeds. There's little seed packets. There you
Oh,
go.
okay.
Watering can. Oh my goodness. Well, I was in the right field.
I'm just going to say, yeah, you were thinking of a water
This next one has a watering can on it. Close enough. This is yellow with big little drops. Little white drops on it. And this is green. And the other yellow one. Ooh, it's a petite kind of. It's that. Oy, oy, oy. There you go. Now you see it. And now you don't. And the more of the flowers. The pretty flowers. You can put some flowers on it.
Mm-hmm.
And then...
Okay, so then I've got some really pretty, I call it sewing fabric because it has all the different things on it.
It's notion fabric.
There you go. Oh my goodness. Isn't that
There you
pretty?
go.
That is so pretty. Yes. Okay, now it's your turn.
How many things you got? You got 2 things.
Well, you got fabric right there.
So, now I was counting. You have 1,
Oh,
2,
okay.
and I have 1, 2.
Okay.
Then my next little bundle. What?
Nothing.
She making fun of me, y'all.
No.
That's not nice. I'm gonna tell. Becca! Anybody? It's kitty fabric. And, oh my gosh, they're so cute. There's more kitty fabric. And, oh, it's surfboards. Thought it was a feather, but it's not.
It's
more
surfboards?
flower.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah. Aloha. The blue flowers. And the checkers. Okay.
That's nice.
That's fine.
And I have it. Whoops. Oh, I have some thread.
I didn't get that. It's
And I
okay.
have-
I got
And I
lots.
have a, let's see,
It's a jelly
Autumn
roll.
Love. I was gonna, Autumn Love
Riley Blake jelly roll.
by Lori Holt.
It says Riley Blake on it.
Mhm.
Riley Blake Designs.
Mm-hmm. So there's that. That's pretty.
I'll hold it up.
Well, look. They can see it.
I know.
There it is.
And all its glory. And then I got these. Get these. Get these. Is that coming out? Where is it? Where is it? It's a table runner in a box. That's what this said. It says, this is if you can't table runner. And I can try. Yes, I can try.
You can try to make it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not the best at sewing. I've proved this.
It's got a little magnetic,
I know, I'm looking for it.
or it's a push through. The
Oh,
magnetic. Okay.
magnetic.
It's got all the fabric in it.
Y'all.
Y'all.
Wait.
In the box here a minute.
Y'all. It's more bundles.
Well, that's to make it. It's all the fabric that goes inside.
You know,
Isn't it
it's
pretty?
still a pretty bundle. And then that's what it's going to look like. Looks like a mason jar.
That's what it
Isn't
is.
it?
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. It's farm girl vintage, yeah.
I don't know. And in there. And that one.
That's
little
not a chicken
flowers?
feed, isn't it?
No, it's flowers. It's chicken feet. I thought it purple flowers.
Okay.
And there's that red one.
And what's that red one called?
Don't make me say it wrong. That's not what that is. That's something else.
I know.
Okay, so, real quick. Okay, you show that, and then I'm going to pull out the fabric that you say I can't say it right. So go ahead.
Okay.
So talk about that.
So this is Who's Who by Terry DeGinclob. I don't know. Wingham Fabrics.
We're going to wing it. It's an L. We're going to wing
That's
it.
pretty. Let's see. Can I pull them down? Oh, yeah. Is it all owls?
Yes,
oh, my
it
goodness.
is.
Yes, it is. Look at that. Oh.
They're my favorite
Oh,
animal.
That was my mom's favorite, was owls. She collected owls.
You try to take everything good away from me, don't you?
No, hold on. I'm going to take it out of here. Where are the scissors at, honey?
I'll put them back over here.
Please and thank you.
Well,
Yeah, I want to show.
okay, you can show.
There you go. Okay.
Show off.
No, I'm just going to...
It was
Everybody
a joke.
wants to
It
see
was
what
a
it is.
joke.
Okay, so here's some owls. It's not unrolling the jelly roll, so at least it'll go back nice and neat.
I'm
Isn't
gonna
that
pretend
cute?
that didn't happen.
Now these are the ones on the tree are adorable. They're sitting on the
And it was
branches.
also nicely
Just sitting on the
packaged.
branches, minding their business. Look at the guy with the bow
gosh.
tie right there.
So
I mean bow tie, shucks. The regular
What?
tie right here. I called it a bow tie. It's a tie.
Where?
Right there. He's got a tie on.
That's a gentleman's tie. So he must be a real gentleman.
And then here it is in green.
And he goes, who? That's what he sounds like.
There's some eyes. I've never seen this fabric before. This is adorable. Now that was in a dark, sort of a black, and this is a
That's
darker
a dark
green.
gray.
You think that's a
That's
gray?
not
Okay, it
black.
could be gray. And then here they are. I'm gonna have to make a quilt out of this. Oh, and here we got some pink. And here's what they say: who and who.
Who doth go there?
And then a white on a. This is sort of a. What would you call that color?
And wrap it back up nice and neat. Salmon.
You think salmon?
Salmon.
And yellow
Those are pastels.
and green.
Green.
A light green, not a dark.
That's the Easter green. I got the hiccups.
And then that one, I think it's repeating now, isn't it?
No.
Oh no, these two repeated.
The white and the
This-
pinkish.
Here's like this is the feathers. It's in blue, and
I
it's
like
in
that
yellow, and they've got it in green here, so they all coordinate, and a white.
with a little bit
Oh,
of
and a
yellow in
gray.
it. Which you can still show them because that one's not completely white. Y'all, do you see that? It's like, there we go.
Feathers. And then some
Feathers.
flowers.
Some flowers.
Mhm,
There's
and
some more
then
flowers
This
in
is yellow
yellow.
on yellow. And the white with the pink flowers. And then this is little circles.
Shoot out more circles.
And then that color with the circles, but I don't really know what color that is, but I
Salmon.
like it. I don't think there's a salmon.
Salmon.
Then there's that green. And then a gray. And that's the bundle right there. Boy, that is really, really nice. I like that. That'd make a good size blanket. Take me forever to quilt it. Okay. What are you showing? I thought you were showing something.
An earpiece candy. You
Okay.
talking about the fabric that I can't pronounce? There's
Oh,
a piece
yeah.
over there. The purple one.
Okay. This is the fabric that I always tease her when she talks about it.
The design is gingham. It's gingham.
It's gingham.
It's gingham.
But every time she says it, I know exactly what she's talking about, so that'll tell you something.
Well, because I used to think that it was gingham, and then I was like, oh, the H is silent, so it's gingham. It's
Okay.
gingham. It's a
Let
nice
me-
gingham shirt. It's a nice gingham hat. It's gingham. I've never heard of Gangnam
Gingham.
Style. That, yeah, I've never heard of that. It's gingham. There's a difference. There's a gingham difference.
So we stopped the tape for a moment, the video, because I wanted to show her that I too have the same thing
I didn't know that.
She didn't know. I knew it as soon as she pulled it out. I had one.
It looked familiar, but I just thought it's because she has, I don't know, she's got other, like, quilt in a box and stuff like that. That's what I was thinking at first. Oh, it's a little quilt. It's a table runner.
So maybe we'll do this together. We don't know. Never mind yet. She has so many projects started.
Products? I'm making products out of my projects.
Anyway, she's got so many things started, so we'll
Some
wait
I'm
and
giving
decide.
away, some I'm keeping.
I know. Okay, and of course, you know, I've got another baby to make a blanket for because now we're having another baby at work. And Grandma was just told that the baby's due December 18th, and so they were keeping it a secret. I don't know what they were keeping it a secret for. So anyway, she said that her daughter, so everybody was saying to her, well, didn't you notice that your daughter was pregnant? And she goes,
No.
well, I thought maybe she hadn't lost the baby fat from the last baby. Now her last baby is 15 months old. She goes, so I didn't want to say anything. Come to find out all this time she was pregnant.
She's trying to be nice.
And her last one was a little girl. As a matter of fact, you probably saw where I put Ava on the blanket. This little girl's name is Olivia. So I haven't decided yet what I'm going to make for her.
Olivia.
Anyway, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, make a comment, subscribe if you haven't. She's going to knock the table down here.
What? It'll be your fault. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.
See you later, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.